Approach Pilatus 6280 Romeo through 8,400 is Tango.
6280 Romeo, NorCal approach, roger, fly heading 160, VFR 6,500.
160, 6,500, 80 Romeo.
One Lima Alpha, turn right, heading 180.
Right, 180, 61 Lima Alpha. NorCal, System 9526 Hotel, 1,500.
First, 9526 Hotel, NorCal departure, radar contact, maintain VFR at or below 3,000.
VFR at or below 3,000, 9526 Hotel.
NorCal 8-2 Golf Kilo with you, 3,500, going to San Carlos.
Alright, 2 Golf Kilo, NorCal approach, roger. Open altimeter 2994, fly heading 130, vector San Carlos.
130, 2 Golf Kilo, thanks.
1 Lima Alpha, turn right, direct Hayward. Southwest 322, 180 knots until Mito, contact Oakland Tower 127.2. Southwest 2510, turn right, heading 130.
Right to 130, Southwest 2510.
Runway 85, contact Oakland Tower 118.3.
Going to Tower 18, 3, 12 at 85.
November 1 Lima Alpha, traffic, 10 o'clock and 4 miles. Southwest now, Boeing 737, 5,000 for Oakland.
Traffic inside, 1 Lima Alpha.
1 Lima Alpha, I had you on a 180 heading, no?
You told us to turn right, direct Hayward, 6 Lima Alpha.
Apologies, 1 Lima Alpha, maintain visual separation from that traffic, descend and maintain 4,000.
Okay, we'll maintain visual separation and descend and maintain 4,000, 6 Lima Alpha.
Southwest 2063, 85, descending via 210, restriction speed.
November, correction, 4 flight 93, turn right, a right turn, heading 200.
Right, 200, 4 flight 883.
November 1 Lima Alpha, do you have the Hayward Airport in sight?
We got the Hayward Airport in sight, 1 Lima Alpha.
1 Lima Alpha, thank you. Cleared visual approach, runway 28 left Hayward.
Cleared visual approach to it left Hayward, 6 Lima Alpha.
Southwest 2063, descend via except for maintain 6,000.
Descend via except maintain 6,000, Southwest 2063.
Approach Southwest 2077, level 5,000.
Traffic, 2 miles south via southbound, southeastbound, 5,000, Boeing 737.
Flight 893, traffic after traffic westbound.
Cal approach, turn left, heading 070, reduce speed to 200.
Left 070, speed 200, Southwest 1037.
Southwest 113, contact Oakland Tower 127.2.
130.
1 Lima Alpha, contact Hayward Tower 120.2.
Contact Hayward Tower, 6 Lima Alpha.
Southwest 2063, clear direct Mito. Southwest 2063, clear direct Mito.
Direct Mito, Southwest 2863.
Approach 80 Romeo, Tango, back on course here.
Alright, Sierra Romeo, descent approved 6,000, correction, no, not yet. Alright, Sierra Romeo, you have traffic. Alright, 8 Sierra Romeo, turn another 20 degrees left.
8 Romeo, 20 degrees left, out in flight following now. This is the wrong direction.
To maintain 7,000.
Was that for 8 Sierra Romeo?
Oh, Southwest 2063, maintain 7,000.
7,000 now, Southwest 2063.
Southwest 2063, traffic off to your right side, 1 mile, southeastbound applies, 6,500.
Inside, Southwest 2063.
Southwest 2063, roger, we're going to box you around. Turn right, heading 300, maintain 6,000.
300 on the heading, 6,000 feet, Southwest 2063.
Roger, Southwest 2510, turn right, direct Mito.
Right turn direct Mito, Southwest 2510. 8 Sierra Romeo, turning right to avoid turbulence. I can't be doing this. I'm canceling flight following.
Sierra Romeo, maintain VFR at 5,500, resume on navigation.
5,500, no navigation. 8 Sierra Romeo, I want to cancel flight following. I don't like what you're doing with this.
November 8 Sierra Romeo, maintain VFR 5,500.
5,500, 8 Sierra Romeo.
4 flight 893, reduce to slowest practical speed, contact Hayward Tower 120.2.
Practical speed, Hayward Tower, 4 flight 893, thank you.
Approach take 102, 4,000 feet, heading 100, we have local site.
60. Block. Southwest 2077, turn right, heading 160.
Right, 160, Southwest 2077.
Southwest 2063, turn right, heading 360.
I turn 360, Southwest 2063.
November 2 Golf Kilo, contact San Carlos Tower.
Tower, thanks, 2 Golf Kilo.
2 Pi Charlie, climb approved 3,500.
3,500, 2 Pi Charlie.
8 Sierra Romeo, descent approved, unrestricted.
Starting descent, 8 Sierra Romeo. I'm gonna give you a call later. It's unacceptable.
Southwest 2077, turn right, heading 180.
Flight 180, you're doing a great job, Southwest 2077.
He's not.
He is. Peak 102, turn right direct Oakland.
Right direct Oakland, fatigue 102.
North Sierra Romeo, contact San Carlos Tower.
San Carlos Tower, 80 Romeo.
Peak 102, contact Oakland Tower 118.3.
118.3, Fatigue 102, you're doing great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Southwest 2077, company is 30 knots slower, contact tower now 127.2.
All right, start slow and go to the tower. You guys do great work. Thank you so much, Southwest 2077.
Thank you.